Let me go ahead and start this mug up for y'all. Starts right up. You know what I'm saying? Purse. Like I said, the car, you know what I'm saying? The car is in really good condition. What's good, Grind Schoolers? It's your boy, Rob, and we back in the shop today. So, today, what we got going down, man, is we're pretty much getting the Impala back together, man. I'm trying to finish up everything that I wasn't able to finish in October. And so I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. There's going to be another video that comes out of me actually doing the actual work on the Impala. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing now and where the car is currently at, because the next video that comes out, it's multiple days. It's, you know what I'm saying, multiple, I wouldn't say multiple weeks, but you know what I'm saying? It's like a week and a half, 2 weeks long. And it's just me going through basically getting stuff done. But I did want to throw the Impala on camera and give y'all an update to show y'all what I got going down, because the car is now officially getting worked on again. So, let me go ahead and flip this camera around. Before we do that, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all. So y'all can see we got something going on in here. The other video that I have will explain it, but I got, you know what I'm saying, all the trim pieces that I missed spraying at the end of the year last year. I'm spraying now. I'm finally able to get to them. I'm spraying now. I'm getting those all taken care of. I got the areas of the car taped up that I had missed. Mainly like edge areas, like down up in through there and like back up in through here on the back side of the window and stuff. Like I said, the other video will explain all that. And I'm not concerned about those areas simply because you'll never see them. You won't see them in the like transition of like doing the candy. Now, if it was like right here or something like that and I had messed up, you can't fix that with candy. You got to do the whole car over again. And I kind of messed up a little bit on the hood, and the hood, like the other video, like I said, so stay tuned for that. We'll explain, you know what I'm saying, what happened with the hood situation. I've said it before, but you know what I'm saying, I kind of went in depth on the next video that I'm about to drop on this car. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all an overview of the car right now, where it's at, because the other video is gonna take a little while to do, because I'm obviously in the process of sanding and, you know what I'm saying, painting, primering, getting stuff prepped and ready. And that stuff takes time. It just takes time, and I don't want to have y'all waiting 2-3 weeks for a video just to try to drop this. I might as well show y'all where my progress is at, and then show y'all what I went through to get to where, you know what I'm saying, this would be. So anyways, you know, I haven't been putting hands on the Impala, and I'm trying to get it done. That's why I'm doing all these trim pieces, is because I want to put the whole car back together. It's time for the Impala to get together so I can drive it. I haven't really driven this car really like that since I got it, and I've had it for a few years now. And I've started building this car on the channel. So when I first got it into where it is now, it's been on the channel. So I've been building it. I've been doing so much to it, man. And I'm really ready to just, you know what I'm saying, get in and cruise for now. And I want to enjoy it for at least a little bit, because when I get that motor built and I get a transmission, that's going to go in here. So it's going to be down again. But after the motor and transmission go in there, it should be solid. This car should be running, you know what I'm saying, right? And everything's been like pretty much updated and replaced on the Impala too. And so like the last thing is like the motor. Even though the motor in this car is good, like this car, I'll start it up for you guys in a minute, but this car starts right up, does whatever it's supposed to do. And I've pretty much changed everything on the car like that needs to be changed. Like for instance, I did, you know what I'm saying, I did the spark plug wires, spark plugs, you know what I'm saying, ignition coil. I did water pump. I changed the seals behind the timing cover or the water pump cover or whatever. I think that's a new belt on there. I did the whole Opti system, you know what I'm saying, the distributor and all that. It has all new fluids, has brake master cylinder, all new brake fluid, all new oil, all new everything, man. Has brand new brakes drilled and slotted on, you know, front and back. Has brand new brake pads, all new suspension from the front to the back besides the control arms up front. I'm planning on getting to that shortly, so it will have, you know what I'm saying, all new suspension everywhere. And then once I get done, I did all of that, and you know, brand new starter, stuff like that. I did all of that so that I could drive the car and it could run, even though this motor is probably going to come out and that one's going to go in here. The reason being is because I just like the LS platform. It's just a lot better to me than, you know what I'm saying, this platform. I mean, it's so much more customizable, so much more like options available. And to me, personally, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying, the LSs sound way better than an LT ever could, you know what I mean? And I don't want to dump a lot of money into this old motor just to make the car faster and all that kind of stuff when all I got to do is put and assemble, you know what I'm saying, the LS that I have, and it'll be a lot faster than this right now. So, you know, tomato, tomato. I know a lot of people want to keep the originality, but regardless of the situation, this motor here has 180,000 miles on it, and I could rebuild it and do all that. But like I said, in order to make this fast, I'm gonna have to spend a lot more money than just assembling my LS motor. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Like I said, I do plan on putting that in there, but not anytime like right now soon, because like I said, I want to drive the Impala. My intentions were to get it reliable so that I can drive it and do whatever I need to do with it, and you know what I'm saying. But anyways, like I said, if all new, you know what I'm saying, QA1 suspension. It does have new exhaust on it. Unfortunately, you know, unfortunately the people that did it blotched it. So the car, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, will be going to get the exhaust redone, rerouted, and I'm debating how I want to route it. And maybe some of you guys can jump down in the comments and let me know how you would route it, or you know what I'm saying, give me a thought or idea. Now, I will give a disclaimer: the Impalas were not meant to see the exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like a sedan and all that kind of stuff, not like a super sports car. So I love how they hid it underneath the bumper so you can barely see the exhaust tip. I love how they do it like that, you know what I'm saying? And I do want them, that's one option, because, but my only concern is them not doing it right and hanging the tailpipe down a little too long, because I am real particular with the exhaust on the Impala because of, you know, if you do it wrong, it looks real tacky, you know what I'm saying? So I am real particular on the exhaust on the Impala. I do like how it barely sees like the stock exhaust. I love that. I want that same look if they can replicate it. Maybe I'll do like a drawing or something so that they can see exactly what I'm talking about, instead of trying to explain it to them. Or I do kind of like how the chrome tips come out the back. You can kind of barely see it. It's not hung down too long. It's about, you know what I'm saying, 2.5, 2.25 inch like thick pipe, and just coming right up under the bumper, right up out of the bumper, not protruding beyond the bumper, like sticking way too far out. I do like that style as well. And I'm debating which way I should go, which route I should go. So jump down in the comments and let me know what y'all think. But other than that, man, like, you know, once I do that, and I'm still debating whether I want to do the ball joints or the control arms. I think I could just grease the ball joints and they'll be good for, you know what I'm saying, a few drives. It's not like I drive this every day. A few drives wherever I want to go, a few shows and whatnot. And then until I can get the control arms on there, and it should be good, man. So after I do the exhaust and I finish up these paint pieces, put the interior back together and detail it, I should be good to, you know what I'm saying, get out here and slide in the Impala. So stay tuned for that as well, man. I'm working hard to try to get it done. So probably in the next couple of weeks, this car will be out and about. As you guys know, that issue with the Elko, I haven't really even, you know, been able to like discover or look into it or anything like that yet. But that's to come, that's to come. I'll need some help, like trying to see what it's actually doing, so I kind of can investigate a little bit more. But I do have a lead on a potential rear end for that car. So if things go according to plan, that rear end will be coming for that. So, you know what I'm saying? She's not necessarily down and out yet. But, you know, for now, you know, she's hurting. But anyways, man, like I said, I wanted to cut y'all on, talk to y'all about the Impala a little bit because, you know, some of you guys are new subscribers. Some of you guys, you know, have been rocking with the Impala for a long time. Y'all want to see it on the channel. And I know I haven't been doing a lot of Impala content because it's been off to the wayside. Like, I haven't been touching it, I haven't been working on it, I haven't been doing nothing with it. And, you know what I'm saying, now I actually am, and I actually have the time to get back to doing what I got to do. So anyways, man, yeah, so that's where the Impala is at. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car for y'all so y'all can hear it. And then, you know what I'm saying, like, we'll go in on the inside and I'll show y'all what's going on in there, and then what I have plans for to get everything together. Like I said, this car's this close, y'all, this close. I just have to put hands on it. So let me go ahead and get the keys and then I'll start it up for you. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and start the car real quick. So before I do that, man, pretty much what I need to do is obviously put the door panels back on. And I was starting to like clean my steering wheel, like all this nastiness. So I'm gonna still continue to do that, clean the steering wheel up. I should have sent it off to get it wrapped, but man, I just been constantly in this state of, man, if I send it off, how long is it gonna take to get it back? I should have sent it off 2 years ago, you know what I'm saying, or a year and a half ago or whatever, and it would have been done. So I was gonna send it to Adrian to do that. He already did the lid or whatever for me. And then I was gonna send it off to do the steering wheel, but now the price gone up, so I don't know, man. So for now, I'm gonna just clean it and protect it, and you know what I'm saying, when I'm not absolutely not driving the car at all, probably like when the motor goes in, I'll probably try to send it off to him or whatever. But you know what I'm saying, like, you can kind of see like the interior is like perfect. It's like perfect in here. So glove box, I did break taking out the lower dash, but I gotta fix that. I thought this riv nut gun was gonna work, but it doesn't work because of how the metal attaches to the plastic. Not riv nut, rivet gun. I need probably a riv nut gun to fix the dashboard. So I'm not really sure how that's gonna work, but we'll figure it out eventually, because that gotta get put back up in there. And then pretty much, like I said, you know, everything else is pretty good. No rips or tears in the dashboard. This was broke, so I did have to replace that. And yeah, man, so anyways, got the Dakota Digital. Let me go ahead and start this mug up for y'all. Starts right up. You know what I'm saying? Purse. Like I said, the car, you know what I'm saying, the car is in really good condition. As far as, you know, the owner that had it before me, he really kept it in really, really good, solid condition, man. And I wouldn't want to take this out to replace it with this motor, but you know what I'm saying, I don't know, man. This, like I said, has 180,000 miles on it, plus I want more power, plus I like the sound of the LS motor better than the LT one. So you know what I'm saying. Anyways, like I said, the car is good, solid, whatever. And like I said, man, this is for like all my new subscribers, everybody that's kind of new to the channel that hasn't really been following this build this whole entire time. And then also too for everybody that kind of doesn't remember how far this car has come, you know what I mean? So anyways, let me go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, shut this, and then we'll go ahead and conclude this video, because I think this has already been a little minute for me just yapping about the Impala. But like I said, I did want to bring it onto the camera so that you guys can see what's been going on with it. So yeah, man. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, I am currently getting back on the Impala. to try to get everything done, because the car should theoretically be really solid. Shouldn't be no issues with it. It should theoretically be good to go, and I should be able to hop in, turn the key, and drive the car, you know what I'm saying, however I want. Then, you know, it would really be good to go once I go through and I do the LS motor and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, man, the LT1 is cool, but I just have to do too much to it to make it where I want it to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want my car to like really slide, like really have fun with it. And this LT1 that's in this car is not doing it for me. Yeah, I can change the gears and stuff like that, but this one here, like the shift points, even on the transmission, first gears, you know, it's an overdrive transmission, but first gear seems like it's forever before it shifts. And I don't like all that, you know what I'm saying? I want it to be, you know what I'm saying, get up and go and do whatever I gotta do. And plus, I love the sound of a good solid LS motor. And I think the mufflers that I have, the Spintech 6000s, will sound phenomenal on the LS motor. So they were gonna go on the Elko when I was gonna LS the Elko, but now since I'm gonna LS the Impala, I'm gonna keep them on the Impala and just get them done where they need to go. And then, yeah, man, like I said, it would be probably cheaper for me to do the LS. It would probably be cheaper for me to do the LS because I have all the parts to do it than to go back in and make the LT1 performance. So anyways, man, like I said, I just want to cut the camera on and show y'all the Impala real quick, and show y'all that I am putting hands on the Impala, and we are gonna get it all wrapped up and finished up. So anyways, man, before you exit the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Always remember, work hard so you live free.